Today is my first time to cook a spaghetti or this noodle. Actually, first time. So use garlic, I use pepper, and then I will put shrimp. And these are the spices. I'm just gonna try it. I think it's ready. Need to fry the garlic here, and I need to boil some water. Okay, I didn't see this on YouTube actually. I just read the instructions on this box. And a friend of mine cooked this one time, and I just tried to remember. Okay, let's do it. Ready? So basically, here's the instructions. See that? Then it says put salt. So I just put some salt here to the water. This is sea salt. Sea salt. I'm actually lazy to watch YouTube videos on this one, and the reason is because they always have like measurement, measure 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup. It's very leche for me. I don't like that one. I use common sense. If it burn, then you learn a lesson. Okay, oil is there to fry the, is that garlic? Yeah. So now I fry this to golden brown, just like that. And then this one, not boiled yet. I will cut the shrimps in half. Let's do that. This is olive oil. So I add pepper. I love pepper, you know. I like that one. Can cause a little bit of sweetness to the dish. And color, of course. I need to check the benefits though. This one haven't boiled. Shrimp is already cut in half. See that? Okay. Now I'll put the shrimp. There it goes. Just like that. Put a little bit of salt. Oh man, it's still over. Oh, never mind. And then just cover it. Oh, so it's now boiling. So I'm gonna put some noodles down. I don't know. I just need to put this straight in. Oh no, it doesn't work like this. So I think I just need to put this like that. I'm gonna break this one. This is funny. Okay, and then the other one. Oh my god, I need to break the noodles. Okay, I'll do that later. So here I just broke it. The sakna is already cut, and the carton says boil for 12 minutes. Is it? It's like 105. Okay. Let's cover it. Cover. And then I also am making something. I need to off it. Okay. See how it goes. The salmon. See, this is already cooked. So I need to off it. It's boiling now. So let's see this. Oh, there's the salmon and the what? The pork. I think I need more 10 minutes for the salmon. It's 30 minutes only. Oh, I need to break this. This is sticking together. Look at this. Sticking together. Oh no, this one. See that? Didikit. Sticking together. Dami dikit. Pilit. Ang Bisaya. See? I need to remove it. need to break them apart. See that? So 10 minutes. So it says 12 to 14 minutes on the box. See, the toppings is ready. It's breaking. Breaking. So here's for my toppings. I think this is parsley and yeah. What's this? Green onion, is it? Yeah, okay, let's do that. Just cut it. So I think, oh, let's off this now. Already 15 minutes, I think. I think this is already cooked. Let's do this one, try it. This is my first time to cook pasta, as I mentioned, okay? I just want to try this one. Oh, all the toppings here. Already cooked. Wow. But maybe not so. Just make it 1 more minute. It's my cooking day today. Wow, look at this. First time also salmon and the pork chop on an oven. Look at this. Salmon already cooked, but the pork I need it more minutes, so I'll remove the salmon. Okay, let it cool for a while, and I'm gonna put the asparagus. Yep. Okay, let's transfer the noodles now. Using this. Let's see how. Okay, use this plate. Nicely. Okay, let's see. This is my carbo today. Okay, just like that. So here's the noodles now, the toppings, and then this one. I'm gonna put this here. See that? Oh, sarap. Looks delicious. I just pour it. Okay, just leave it like that. Pour it. Like this. See? Put this kind of, I don't know what they call this kind of stuff. Put tomato. First time, I just mix it. So my first noodle dish. Wow. I think I don't need the salt. I just need the, what's that? The spaghetti sauce. But I need to put the salmon. So this is it. Just remove the salmon, transfer it here. Woo! Nice. Haha, what a meal. This one will be for dinner. And then I just put the asparagus. Make it again for another 10 minutes maybe. See that? That's the meal. Nice looking.